Justin just picked up this 2015 four-wheel drive 5.0 truck. He's fixing to see if it'll crank. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Sounds good. No rattles. 60,000 mile truck. Got damage back here at the back. We'll show you that. Been hitting the rear. Watch the pretty truck. One pretty truck. Stay tuned. We're going to try to get this thing fixed. Got a bed to go on it. Get it up for sale. Alright everybody, here it is. 2015 F150. We got it all put back together. Got the bed on. Decals on. Tail lights, tailgate, bumper. Turned out real nice. 60,000 mile truck. 4-wheel drive. Got to clean up the insides. But here's a shot of the insides. 4-door, not the full 4-door, but the extra cab. Get a shot of the other side over here. Nice truck. Like I said, needs a good cleaning. Clean up shop will be next for it. Look under the hood here. Got the Coyote 5.0. This is one nice truck. Should make somebody a real good one. We're waiting on the state inspector to come and inspect it. Then it'll be ready to put on the market. Hope everyone enjoyed the build on it. Get this thing sold. We'll see if we can't buy another. Check back in next time.